have learned how to apply CSS to different portions of HTML. In the next few videos, we will be looking more in details about a specific style, and we will be start with that we already look at, that is color. So there are two ways through which you can change the color on your web page. So the first property that is called as color, and it is used to change the color of text. So here you can see we just have to put the property name and the value, and second way is using the background color property. So you can change the color of an object by using this background color property, and on the right hand side you just have to provide a value to this property. Of course, all the colors don't have a name, so you might want to be a little more precise about the color what you want and there is much more accurate method to use that is called as HTML color codes. So I will go to this website that is called as HTML color codes info, and here I will use the diagram to explain what are HTML color codes. So you can see as I click on some specific color, so it is giving me a code that is called as alphanumeric code because it has both the letter and both the numbers. So that is why it is called alphanumeric code. So for every color it give me alphanumeric code which I can include on my web page. So let's suppose I want this color on my web page. So what I will do, I will just copy this code, and here instead of this green let me put this color. Okay, so we have put the color code. Now let's just save it and refresh it. Okay, so that color has been applied to my web page. Now let's say I want this shade of red color, so I have to just copy this color code and just place it inside the property, and you will notice that we have to provide a hash symbol at the beginning of the color. Let's just save it and refresh it. Okay, so that shade of red color has been applied to my web page, and also if you scroll down a little bit, so you will see this color picker. So you can pick any color on this web page that you want to include on your website. It's really nice way to use different color on your web page. Okay, cool. So that was all in this video, and we have seen we can change the color of our web page using the color code background color property. So in the next video we will be looking how to arrange different elements on our web page using the floating concept. So we will see you in the next one. Good day.